Hey, what's up? It's BadMad and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today's video I am super excited about, starting with the fact that I am wearing this amazing caftan. This is one of my absolute favorite pieces of clothing that I own. Anytime I wear this, I'm just in a good mood. It's good vibes. Do you guys have a piece of clothing that's like that? Because this is my go-to. In today's video, we are going over how to achieve a no makeup look. Especially with summer right around the corner for some of us, this tutorial is going to be good. Also a bonus, this look doesn't take any longer than 5 to 10 minutes, and I use all drugstore products. If you're interested in seeing how to achieve this look, stay tuned. Okay, baddies, let's get into it. No makeup. Skin by Dermalogica. Check out my latest updated skincare routine. That was my last upload. It will be linked above. We are kicking things off with the Murad oil-free Pore Mattifier SPF 45. It does have the SPF protection, and it also helps to mattify. So I stumbled upon the Maybelline BB cream. This contains 2% salicylic acid, and that really turned me onto it because I was like, okay, I'll be outside in the sun, but I'll be treating my skin at the same time. It seriously comes out like a moisturizer. It's creamy. So I'm gonna go ahead and begin to apply this. I have the shade medium, and you guys, this is shocking, but I actually apply my tinted moisturizer with my fingers. I know, right? Definitely gives light to medium coverage, but it's very buildable. I prefer applying this with my fingertips because the warmth from your fingertips will actually melt this product into your skin. I feel tinted moisturizers, because they're going on like a moisturizer, need to be applied with your fingers. You don't apply a moisturizer with a sponge or a brush, and so the warmth from your fingers will really help to melt this into your skin. Just make sure that your hands are clean, obviously, before applying. Concealer needs to be used sparingly. I think it's safe to say in everyone's routine, we are applying a huge block of concealer in this area to brighten our eye area. And we obviously want to brighten up that area, but we do not want our makeup getting creasy in this area. My advice to you, less concealer is more, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean. I'm going to be going in with the Born to Glow concealer from NYX. Apply this here. See that? Few little dots of that, and I'm a sucker for middle of the nose highlight. I love that. And a little on the chin. Next, I'm taking my little baby Morphe sponge because it's so cute, and I'm literally just pushing this upwards. Bright skin is healthy skin, and we want this to look very seamless. So you can see I'm just patting. Take a little excess over there. I also go over with my ring finger just to make sure that is smoothed out. Going to take this, because this is going to give us a nice natural contour. Now we want to set all of this, but we're not going to use a heavy powder. For the under eyes, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in Fair. We're going to take a brush, loose brush, dip that into our translucent powder, tap off the excess, and just pat where we just placed that concealer. See how that's already giving us a nice brightening, picking up a little more product, setting that concealer, and we're also going to set middle of the nose. And next, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula. This is in the color Beige. Big, fluffy Sonia Kashuk brush, my favorite powder brush. Dipping and sweeping. We're going to be in the sun. We're going to the pool. We don't want to look cakey. Done. So we are now going to go in with a bronzer, Rimmel London's Natural Bronze. This is in the color Sunlight. I've used this for years. It's my go-to color. I love it. Our angled bronzer brush. We want this to look natural. We don't want it to look obvious. Bring it up on your forehead. We're going to use the Maybelline Cheek Heat. Smiling. Gel or cream blush is going to be our best friend with a no makeup look. Cream product looks like skin, and that's what we want. We want to look breathable, like we have nothing on. So I'm just dabbing with my finger and blending and working this around on the apple of my cheek and blending up this way. We don't want to keep it in just a messy circle right here. We want to take this up so it looks the most natural. This is the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator from NYX in the shade Gleam. I love this product so much. On my ring fingers, we just place the blush here. We're gonna take this right above the blush. Apply a little bit of this on the tip of the nose. Eyes and brows in this look are so simple. We're gonna run through it really quick. If you're on the go, if you're at a pool, if you're at the lake, you don't want to be using too many brow products, because if you swim, you don't want it to be like, where'd our brows go? I'm using the NYX Control Freak Clear Brow Gel. I'm taking this, and this is basically going to keep them in the direction I want. For me personally, with no makeup, I don't want my brows to look perfect. You know what I mean? You don't want them to look like they've been drawn on. I recently discovered this clear brow gel and I absolutely love it. It is such a good drugstore find. It's natural, baby. You don't want your brows coming off halfway through the day or sweating off, which is even worse. Eyes. Super simple. We are going to use the Revlon ColorStay in Blackest Black. This is to line your upper waterline. So essentially, I'm going to take the pen. See the difference? It's just adding a little thickness. So I want my eyes looking super natural and not cakey. So I'm literally going to take the Born to Glow, just gonna dab there. I'm going to take our little baby sponge again, pick up just a little bit of that product, and I'm literally just going to sweep this. From here, you can use your finger to help blend, but I'm just basically going to take this from lash line to brow. I'm going to take the Fit Me powder, just sweep and set that, and that is honestly all we are going to do with the eyes in terms of shadow. Now, on a regular basis, you should not be wearing waterproof mascara. It can actually break your lashes off, but a week on vacation, you know, a day at the pool, it's not a big deal. I'm going to be going in with these two mascaras to wiggle, wiggle, pull, wiggle, wiggle, pull, wiggle, wiggle, pull. Volume on, then we're going to take our telescopic root to tip, using the telescopic. I'm going in with a chapstick first. This is the Hawaiian Tropics SPF 50. Glossy lips are the key to any beach look. We are using the Stay Glossy from Rimmel London in the color All Nighter. And to finish us off, Hangover 3-in-1 RX Setting Spray, perfect for summertime, and it keeps everything in place. That is it for our no makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It is perfect for the pool, beach, running errands. Anytime you want a breathable look and a fast look, this should be the go-to. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you baddies next time.